If you want to play emoji game on Instagram and don't know how, then you have clicked the right video. So let's find out how you can play this game on your Instagram. So first of all, go to Play or App Store and check if your Instagram is updated to latest version or not. If not, then update your Instagram to latest version. Now after that, open your Instagram and then go to Messages. And then send any emoji of your choice to your friends or anyone in your chat section. Now after sending the emoji, you just have to one click on that emoji, and remember that you don't have to hold on to it. Just a one click and then you will be automatically directed to the emoji game. So here you go. Use the slider bar to play the game and don't let the emoji fall down. Enjoy the game in your free time when you don't have someone to chat. And let's see how much score I get in my first try. Oh, just 9. Let me know your first score too. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for all latest updates.